You think I kidnapped Jasper?
More than think, we have rock-solid evidence you put in your hands on the kid's blanket.
You got it wrong.
You went into Didi's last night, stole her baby, and left them outside to freeze to death.
I wasn't trying to kill him, I was trying to save him.
Save him?
From the hellhole upstairs. Look, I've known Didi for years. She's level-headed, smart. She'd be a great mom if it weren't for that douchebag.
Ken Cummings.
And he's not nailing the nanny, he's banging some other chick. And I swear when Didi's out of town, he uses her place as his own party pad. And when she's in town,
He's manipulating the hell out of her.
like a puppet on a string.
Look, just because Didi's dating a jerk doesn't mean that she's neglecting the baby.
Last night, Jasper was screaming his lungs out for hours. Ken and Imelda just ignored him, kept screwing.
So you thought he'll be better off dumped in an alley?
I left him at Tumbleweeds. People there love kids. I wrapped him up real nice and left him.